This is an IndiaSkills 2025 tutorial for individual skills. Go to Siddha platform using your browser. Click on IndiaSkills 2025 at the top right corner. Enter your 10-digit mobile number and click Continue. You'll receive a one-time password, OTP, on your phone. Enter the OTP to proceed. Now, create a 4-digit numeric password, confirm it, and click Create. Then, re-enter the password and press the login button. You'll now be prompted to complete your e-KYC. Please note, for IndiaSkills 2025 registration, the e-KYC is recommended to be done through OTP only. Enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number, click Continue, and verify using OTP. Review the eligibility criteria below before starting the application form. The registration form has 3 sections: personal details, address details, education qualification, employment. Fill in the personal details form with all the required details. Make sure to fill out the address details form completely, including all fields marked as required. Enter all details in the education qualification form and click on Submit. This confirmation pop-up will appear once the application has been successfully submitted.